go down that way, but I'm just getting a wee bit of footage.
Stories. Not the exact same experiences, but the exact same like life. Everyone's had a life and grew up and done things and
On the ground.
it's a surprise.
Yo, surely you want some there. Nice. Put it in crypto. What do you mean?
You would think that surely they would have knocked off that. You never see anyone like when you're really big on them.
Just those 2Ps.
No, like whenever they are, like you never see like someone like drop loads.
Go on, lad. Happy days. What do you... I can't even spin the reel. Oh, made it 3/7. Ready, last one. I fucking love it.
Like as rich one's game, the more you have, the more you get. So I get mine.
I was thinking though.
I have
Before or
a
after?
fucking pint of gas. After.
Yeah.
Don't be uploaded.
Be white on the surfboard. Well, the surfboard's there, so we are.
That's 700 quid, big mate. Say it's £1,000 a day. That's
crazy to think. Just
that's
for
like,
parking on the beach.
That's like 365 grand a year.
That's ridiculous.
Just for parking on something that is naturally here.
Yeah.
Like it's not like anyone owns it.
I don't know where to park as well. I don't want the fucking tide to come in and wipe the car out. Whoa, this is getting blown straight out of my arm. I know, I should have went surfing.
Probably could have, you know. Probably could have had like a decent way surfing bit as well, so the waves not lower for the practice.
True. We'll maybe swap at half time, but like, Can we get a surfboard for a bit?
Let's carry the whole way up.
Yeah, fuck that. Right. Yes! Hold you.
Okay.
Fuck! Should have went for a piss before.
What?
I should have went for a piss. Don't really want. Go on, you're still on it. Yeah, on your knees. You haven't stood up yet, have you?
Not half well. Yeah, it's fucking, it's harder now.
Yeah, I'll try and move you out of it. Oh! Woohoo! See if you can paddle with it. Yeah, you're not too bad. Oh. Fair enough.
Not too bad. It's harder than it looks though, isn't it? To be fair, like, it's not too bad like out here, but like the further up you are, finally a sport I'm better than yet.
That was good. Oh, shotgun. This one just seems a bit better.
I was going to say the opposite.
You think that one's better?
Yeah.
That'll do it. 6 feet. Just because it has like a plastic bottom on it. Here's just foam.